light video on my 2017 F-250 Super Duty. The LED license plate lights, LED tail lights. It's F-150 LEDs, LEDs. That's where the tail light bulbs and the license plate bulbs came from. Super bright. I like them. Alright, I didn't do anything with the marker lights on the roof or the mirror turn signal marker lights. I did change out the headlight running lights. Those I changed them to a white amber. So running's white, and the headlights there, and then turn signals are amber LED, and then I put I believe I put white marker bulbs in the, they have amber lenses on the side. These are factory headlights. I just changed all the bulbs. Somebody asked, I have videos change on all these lights and installing them, but I changed my headlight bulbs. They are from Headlight Revolution. They are GTR Ultra 2.0s. H13 9008s. They're 4100 lumens, and I'll show you that. Alright, so it's white marker lights. The turn signals flash amber. I have F-150 LED bulb replacement in the fog lights, and you can't really see, they're hidden back there, but you can see the white amber markers, and then the headlight bulbs. They're super bright. Everybody always high beams me because they probably need aim down, but those are the Headlight Revolution GTR 9008 Ultra 2.0 H13 9008 bulbs. They're $265 for a pair. You need 2 pairs, so $530 right now for 4 bulbs. This is what it looks like going down the roads. All white. The headlights, running marker lights. They're really bright. I like them a lot. High beams. They're super bright. I know it doesn't really do it justice right here, but they have 4.5 stars on the site, and I really like them. I'm not driving down the road. My truck's super clean. Just to show you on and off. There's off. I know I have a lot of lights on here, but if you look in the woods, they're bright. Thanks for watching. I had a guy asked, he wanted to see these because he's thinking about buying some. So, like and subscribe, appreciate it. I just turned the truck off. You can hear the cooling fans running on the back. So, very nice lights.
I never